Moving into our next category, and this is Excellence in Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery, and the award goes to
Dr. Debashish Nayak is a distinguished cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon with extensive expertise in complex cardiac, thoracic, and vascular procedures. Currently working as a senior consultant and associate professor of cardiothoracic and vascular surgery at High Tech Medical College, Bhubaneswar, he has played a pivotal role in advancing cardiovascular and thoracic surgical care in Odisha. Trained at prestigious institutions including JPI MER and Tata Main Hospital. He specializes in a wide spectrum of procedures ranging from coronary artery bypass surgery and valve replacements to aortic aneurysm repair, minimally invasive cardiac surgery, endovascular intervention, and complex vascular reconstructions. With a strong commitment to clinical excellence, research, and innovation, Dr. Nayak has contributed significantly to improving patient outcomes and continues to set benchmarks in cardiothoracic and vascular surgery through surgical expertise and compassionate care.